In this video, we show you how to set up a garden pump. First, we wrap all connections with thread seal tape. Screw in and attach the suction hose adapter. Next, attach the suction hose. Please ensure you check it for any dirt, damage, or leaks. Remember the rubber seal. Now we open the pre-filter cap with the included key. Check the pre-filter for impurities or dirt. Looks good. Now fill with water. Next, screw on the filter cap. And connect the hose. Depending on your device, insert batteries or plug it in. In our case, we insert batteries. The pump is now ready for operation. Press the on button to turn it on. For the pressure hose, ensure water flows freely. If you have a spray nozzle, activate it to release all air. If the flow rate is not correct, please check the entire system for leaks. You can find error details in our manual. Our device features an integrated pre-filter. If your device lacks one, you have the option to purchase one. More info is on our website.